Success in the music industry relies on managing rights and delivery. While record labels handle artists and rights, distributors ensure your music reaches streaming platforms, which do not accept direct uploads. Consider establishing a record label if you want to scale your catalog, work with multiple artists, build a brand, or offer professional release services. A custom label plan is especially cost-effective for those planning over 8 to 10 releases per year. Building your foundation starts with a unique, genre-flexible name. Verify its availability on streaming platforms and secure matching social handles and web domains. Keep your visual identity professional with a simple logo. To scale safely, begin as a sole proprietorship. Utilize simple micro or new operations micro artist agreements to build trust early on. As your label grows, you can look into corporate registration and formal trademarks, while keeping royalty splits clear and fair. A custom label distribution plan is essential. Unlike generic distribution, a custom plan ensures your label's specific name appears on all platforms, securing your official branding, including P-line and C-line right. Build trust with your first artists by releasing your own tracks first to prove the process. Provide transparent royalty dashboards, maintain fast release timelines, and include revenue sources like caller tunes to add value. Maintain a strict release pipeline. Ensure your audio is in the correct wave format. Keep metadata consistent across all platforms, and leverage promotional tools like Instagram Reels. Always double-check your metadata to avoid significant delays. Monetize your catalog through diverse channels. Indian labels can benefit from streaming royalties, caller tunes, YouTube Content ID for user-generated content, sync licensing for film and media, and negotiated artist deals. Avoid common startup mistakes by staying lean and digital. Don't overspend on physical infrastructure. Prioritize your budget for marketing and release activities. Be cautious with restrictive contracts and ensure your choice of distributor is sustainable for your long-term growth. A comprehensive custom label plan offers maximum earnings with up to 95% royalty retention. It includes essential reach like caller tune distribution, YouTube Content ID, and lifetime releases without additional per-song fees. You can launch your label in 30 days by finalizing your identity, activating your distribution setup, testing the release process with a few tracks, and beginning to network with artists. Your brand is your legacy. Keep it lean and transparent.